What's up, YouTube? Today I just wanted to know if anybody could tell me. Well, first of all, here's the Sega Power Strip. I just got it. Here's the box. Little wrinkle, but alright condition. But what I wanted to know is this the original packaging? Supposedly it's new, but I really don't know how these came packaged. I wanted to know if this is the bag it came in. If anybody out there could comment or let me know if this is the original packaging. Get a close-up view. If not, I kind of want to use it. So, please let me know.